When you study hieroglyphics, it changes or alters your perception of reality. It activates the right brain or lobe or hemisphere, which is said by the mystics to be the access to the subconscious mind. The left brain or lobe is the hemisphere that processes information sequentially in a series, digitally. The right hemisphere, on the other hand, has highly intuitive aspects of thoughts, along with the capacity for nonverbal pattern recognition. In other words, a right dominant brain, or those right dominant brain types, that's the type of mind or types of minds that would have produced the temple architectures of the ancient world in hieroglyphic writing. The right brain or lobe is connected to musical ability, the recall of tone, harmony, and melody. Also, this is the mind which processes esoteric information. Left dominant minds translate things to sensory terms, reducing abstractions to a defined image. You see, there were symbolic reasons that the ancient Kemites used animals in hieroglyphs and to explain things. The imagery is an analogy depicting levels of somatic information derived from evolutionary experiences that's inscribed in our brains. Physiologically speaking, you have three brains. The hindbrain, associated with survival. The midbrain or limbic brain, associated with emotions and some other things. And then there's the cerebral cortex, or the forebrain. This is the last that develops. This is the brain that controls the conscious mind and activities. Your cerebral cortex consists of a right and a left hemisphere. Now, these three brains are like three computers, three different computers with a different special intelligence, with a different function. These three brains are distinguished neuroanatomically and functionally different. They have a different distribution of neurochemicals. So these animal-headed symbols and deities evokes particular levels of awareness in evolution of your consciousness. What we call mysticism, the ancient mystics and sages, they considered it to be physics. These symbols, these parables, these myths, these things are esoteric in nature, speaking to a different part of you. Only symbolism can penetrate the state of mind with a hidden meaning. That's why there is symbolism. That's why there is an eagle as the symbol of America, because of what it means to your hidden mind. So when you see that, and when you see USA or United States of America, it evokes the group that it represents fulfilling a role in your mind. Because the ego is the Heru, or the hero, in you. So when you watch a movie full of symbolic references, and the villain or the monster has a reptilian head and features, that's evoking a specific response in you to that particular energy. If this is something that you have a high interest in, or if it sounds very interesting to you, if you're on my Patreon, I want you to please review this resource that I provided for you, along with the 3-part video discussion on this particular topic, and it'll help you find your way. Till next time, peace.